guys, Amelia House here with the new video. I'm gonna do mail time. Yeah, just a second. Okay, so I got purple craft from just for me to. I lost my. Sorry. What? What? Why is this happening? Oh, here it is. It looks nice. It's good enough. Good enough. Since I got some done, let's take down Pixie. And just also fan mail this person by 6 o'clock on the CNA Canadian. That's my pet. There's my pet now. Okay, Dietube.